Okay, so in this video we are going to access a tuple, or you can say by how we can access the elements of a tuple. So I have created a tuple 1. Tuple 1 is the name of the tuple, and these are the elements which are provided here inside the parentheses because it's a list. And here we are printing this tuple, so let's run this. So these are the elements and I have printed the elements here. So how can we access any particular element or element at particular index? So what we can do is print, and let's say I want to access the element at index number 4. Okay, so this way we are accessing the tuple 1, and inside the tuple 1 we are accessing the element at the number 0. So as we know, the indexing start from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4, so this must be printed. So let's run this. Okay, so 1 2 3 is printed, and 1 2 3 here is a string, not a integer value. 4 5 6 is a integer value because we have not put it inside the quotes. Okay, so what if I write here any minus value, negative value you can say. For example, I write minus 2. Okay, so what should it print? The value is here. Okay, as we know, the indexing start from 0 0 1 2. So if I write minus 2, the minus means the negative value start from here at the end. So this value is the minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, and so on. If we start reading from the end of the tuple, or you can say the values of the tuple, then it will start counting minus 1 here, then minus 2, and so on. Okay, so what if I go for the range here, as we have done inside that list? So if I write 2 colon 4. Okay, so what this will do, it will include the second index, third index, but this after the column the value is not included. Means second is 0 1 2, means this will be included, third index will be included, but fourth not be included. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so scale is printed, clipper is printed, but 1 2 3 is not printed because it will be excluded, you can say. Okay, so if I pass negative values here, then what it will do, if I pass minus 4 to minus 1. Okay, so it will start from minus 4. So minus 4 is 0, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so it will take this value, this value, this value, but not this one, because minus 1 after the column value is not be included. Okay, so clipper is taken, 1 2 3 is taken, and true is taken, not this one. Okay, so this is how we can access the values. And if I want to check whether a particular value is there inside the tuple, or you can say inside the values, what we can do is let's not do this. We are going to use the if statement, if condition, you can say. If pen is there, pen, if pen in, and after that I am going to mention the name of the tuple, and then colon and enter. What it will do, it will print just yes. Okay, you can add anything, right? Okay, so this will check whether this particular element is inside this or not, in this tuple or not, and I have printed yes for this if condition. अगर ये condition true होगी तो ये वाली statement को print करेगा. Okay, so in the upcoming video we will do some more operations on tuple.